What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you how to play BFE by Kane Brown. So this is a new song which got released on this Friday. So just want to show you, instead just want to learn Worship You by Kane Brown. You can just check out my channel. I got the best guitar tutorial out there in YouTube with tabs showing you how to play the song, complete accurate version. So make sure to check them out. So we got the keyboard on the first fret for this song. I don't know, this song actually has a lot less views compared to Worship You, though this song is actually nice, pretty it's actually a type of country music to me, like the genre is actually country. So here the guitar playing and all is actually more. So for this song, if you just want to play along on guitar, you're on the right decision. You have to learn this on guitar. We have a lot of licks and all going over here. Just want to show you this one, a very small lick we have for this song, a beautiful song. So keep on the first fret. Firstly, let's have a look at the chord shapes. Our first chord is the A major, which is mute open, second open. F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Bring the shape up. You go back. It's an E major, 0 2 2 1 0 0. B flat. It's a B major, which is mute 2 4 4 4 2. You can play it like this, you can play it like this, how you want. If you struggle a lot playing the bar chords, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will actually provide you with one of my videos showing you how to master the bar chords. C major, mute 3 2 0 1 0. D major, mute open second. G major, 3 2 open 3. What else? I think we are not left with any other chords. So let's dive into the structure of the song. So for the structure, we actually start off with the intro. We have then we have the verse, then we got the chorus, and after the chorus we have another verse, and then we got another chorus, then we have the bridge where there's a lot of instrumental going on. So nice song obviously, and then we have the last chorus, and then you got the outro. Again we have all the licks going on. So let's dive into the song. Firstly, I just want to clear up with the rhythm of the song. It's actually the same thing. Don't want to focus much on the string pattern. It's pretty simple. So let's have a look at it. We actually go down up, 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 down up. So only down up. What I'm doing basically on each chord is I'm doing down up, down up, down up, down up. So if you take that, we got down up into 4. So we have down up, down up, down up, down up. But what happened is on the third down. So down up. Here comes the third down. What I do is I do a down. I like trying to focus on that beat. So mainly just keep your hand and do down up, 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 down up. Down. Just practice that, and after that let's begin with the intro of the song. We just gonna hold that A major chord and play that for the intro. If you don't want to play this one, so let's have a look at it. So I told you A major chord, you're just gonna do down up, down up, down up, down up into 8. So you got down up, 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 down up. Just do that 8 times. Down up, down up, down up, down up 8 times on that A major chord, and just have a look what I do over here. So everything I'm telling you right now, I showed you before also, is related to keep on the first fret, which means this is 1. The dots are even right now, so 2 4 6 8. So we got. So what I do is I start hammering from 5 to 7 on the E string, then 5 to 7 on the A string. Then I do a hammer on from 5 to 7 on the D string. So see, I just move it like this, horizontally down. Then I do down up, down up. So I play the 7th fret on the D string, 4 times after that. So we got down, down, and then play 4 times. Down, up, down, up. Then I do a stroke where I do a up, where I do a pull up from 7 to 5 on the D string. So I got. Then I play 7 fret on the A string, and then I go back and I repeat the same thing. So let me break jazz. We got. So we got down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Then you play 7 fret on the A string. Repeat that. Up, down, up, down. Play again over here. 7 fret. Up, down, up, down, up. Then you play over here 7 fret on the D string. 7 fret on the A string. Then you do, which is actually basically a hammer on from 5 to 7 twice on the D string. So we got. So notice I always actually go down, up, down, up. Doesn't matter whether I'm changing the string, I'm moving from an E string to a D string, but I always keep that down, up in the proper way, which brings me to alternate tuning, which means if the first stroke is a down, the second stroke has to be a up. So we got. And that's it for that intro stuff. And let's move on to the verse. For the verse, have a look at the chord progression. Long chord progression, definitely. Start off with the A major, D major, A major, E major, E major, E major, E major, A major, A major, A major, E major, E major, E major, E major, A major. So you can actually see everything on the screen. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing down up, down up, down up, down up once for each chord. So let's play the verse right now. Everything's clear right now. Any doubt? I hope there's not, but still, just let me know in the comment below. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play. Down up, down up, down up, down up, A, down up, down up, E, E, E. Last time E, A. Second time, third time, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after the A is done, we actually move on to the chorus. Now for the chorus, the chord progression will be a A major, D major, D major, A major, E major, D major, D major, D major, E major, E major, D major, A major, G major, D major, A major. So I do down up, down up, down up, down up once for each chord. I told you right now and what you can actually see on the screen. So let's play the chorus. Pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, E, D, D. Last time. E, E, D, A, G, D, A. That's it. Then you move on to the verse 2, and this verse 2 is basically the verse 1 divided into 2 parts equally, and we are playing 1 part. So this is basically we are going to play a A major, again a A, again a A, then a E, then a E, then a E, then a A. Once down up, down up, down up, down up, once for each chord. So we got 2, 3, E, 2, 3. I just want to show you one small lick which actually goes in the song. Sorry. So we basically a pull off from second to open on the G string, then a hammer on to a pull off in one single stroke on the D string from open to second. So we got G string and third fret on the A string, open with a pull off. So we got boom. That's very easy. So that's it, and then you move on to the chorus. Now this chorus is again same. So this is the chorus 2, and this is completely same. And then we come to the bridge. Bridge is when there's a lot of play a bit wrong. Something like this actually goes on for the bridge. So a lot of instrumental stuff over here we have. So let's have a look at the chord progression for this part. We start off playing a D major, A major, E major, A major, A major, A major, D major, D major, D major, A major, E major, D major, G major, and you play a C and you move on to the chorus. C for chorus, C for C major. So you play the C and enter the chorus. So we again do the string pattern once for each chord, and that's why I showed you the rhythm at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, E, A, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, A, E, D, G, to a C, and you move on to the chorus. And the chorus 3 is again same. It's the same thing which you did for the verse. Which you did for the first chorus. A D D A E D D E E D A G D A. But the thing is, at the last line, what you just now hear properly what I'm telling. Concentration, attention, everything right now. So what he did for the chorus was A D D A E D D D E E D. Whatever it was, you can actually understand. You can just see on the screen. You can just go back, have a look at that part. But for the last line, it was actually A G D A. But what you're gonna do over here is it will be a E D D. So you replace the A G D A with A G D A. You replace that with a E D A. Replace that with a E D A, and repeat that line twice. So there's one extra line added at the end of the chorus tree. So we got A E D D. A D A E D E. So A E D E. I'm getting confused myself. A E D E. So we got A D D A from the beginning. E D D D E E D. Instead of coming to the A G D A, we'll go A E D E. Repeat that A E. And you move on to the outro of the song. And now again we have some chords over here. Now we have a C major, then an A, then a B major, then an F, then an E, then an A, again an A, again an A, then an A, G, D, then A, and you end the song over there. So let's play that part over here again. Down up, down up, down up, down up, once for each chord. 1, 2, 3, A, G, D. Let me show you that thing over here. So what we do basically over here, I do a hammer on from 5 to 7 on the D string. I do a little bend over here, vibrato added. Then I play 5th fret on the G string twice. And this one is a bit short, like pa pa. You just press that and release after playing that. Then you do a pull up from 7 to 5 on the D string. So you got. Then I do a slide from 5 to 7 on D string. Then back to 5 on the D string. 7 fret on the A string. Then I play 5, 7 on the D. Then again 7, 5 on the A string. Then I do a hammer from 5 to 7 on the A string. Then I do a slide from 5 to 8 on the E string to up E string, and then I go back to the 5 fret. So we got. So you can just make up some, add some notes over here. If you just want, you can just do anything you want. So we got. One more time. I add some bends and vibrato at the middle or where needed, so the key is to hear the song a couple of times. So that's it for this lesson. So this was a lovely lesson to show you guys. So make sure just you hit that like button, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay notified. You can check out my channel. I did plenty of songs on this Friday. Some are rock, some are actually pop, some are actually R&B, some are actually soul, some are actually country. Anything you can actually find in my channel. So check out, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys back in the very next video. Till then, bye.